Okay, this video we're going to be building a metal frame for the gate around there. I finally got the steel in, so let's get the camera turned around and get into it. It's going to be fun. Okay, got the saw set up. Let's get some metal cut. Okay, I got the gate finished and got it hung. Still got to get a latch for it, but that might be a different video, me installing the latch and all, and showing you the other side of the gate. But let me get the camera turned around and show you how it turned out. Okay, as you can see, bolted this piece of wood to the metal gate or metal frame, and then we just screwed the slats to this piece of wood. But there's the hinges. Yeah, I got the ground a little bit, or the wood slats a little bit off, because this ground is way lower on this side than it is on the other side, so I got to get some more dirt somehow and fill the ground in a little bit to, you know, take care of that gap so it don't look so stupid. Wish I would have noticed that before I cut the slats. I would have put one in starting over there where it's the highest, and come this way and, you know, make them closer to the ground. But it is what it is. And right here, you see the screw holes is where the old latch was at. We still got to get a latch to go on here. I'm gonna get one of those ones that goes through the cable goes through here. At least I think I am anyway, and where you can unlock it from the outside with a combination. But anyway, let me back up just a little bit. That's the gate. And like I said, I'll show you the other side of it, show you how it turned out when I do the latch, if I remember. Anyway, hope you like it. That's the gate, finished, all except for, you know, the latch. That's all I got for this one. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.